Billy, we are going to Barnes & Noble to get Molly a chapter book called Double Fudge, and you are coming with us. I really wish I could have this Simpsons comic book, but I'm never allowed to have anything while grounded. Maybe instead of taking the book out without paying for it, I can record all the pages with my digital camera. I knew they had Double Fudge here. Now hold on, wasn't Billy with us? I don't think so. Let me go find him. Billy, why did you bring your camera in the store? I don't know. What were you taking a video of? Nothing. Show it to me. No! Billy, get back here, you crazy jackass kid! Gotcha! You're not going anywhere now. I am checking your camera. Billy, you tried to take a video out of the pages from a Simpsons comic book? You cannot do this. That's illegal. But I didn't really take the book out of the store without paying. So what? Videotaping books in a store still counts as stealing. When we get home, you are going to be in a lot of trouble. Billy, how dare you videotaped pages from an unpaid book at Barnes & Noble and tried to get away with it? Trying to videotape unpaid books at a store would just get you arrested. Yeah, I really saw what was going on and why you currently weren't with us. You're grounded for 10 million seconds. This means no books from Barnes & Noble, including Simpsons comics, and no watching The Simpsons. You will watch shows on Disney Junior and Nick Jr. until you get ungrounded. Go to bed.